Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this really delicious and easy to make mushroom risotto. So if you want to learn how to make mushroom risotto, then just keep watching. And the first thing you're gonna need will be your risotto rice or your arborio rice. Really, any short grain rice would do, but arborio rice is the best. You'll also need some mushrooms, some portobello mushrooms, some shiitake mushrooms, dried ones. So I'm gonna be rehydrating that. And you'll need some onions, garlic, and some habanero for some heat because I love it spicy. You'll need some parsley, Parmesan cheese. You'll need some white wine vinegar in place of white wine, and then you'll need some chicken stock. So let's get cooking. So I'm gonna start off by rehydrating my dried shiitake mushrooms using my broth. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in a pot and bring it to boil, then turn down the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until my mushrooms are completely rehydrated. This also gives me time to also heat up my broth, because guys, when you're making risotto, you have to add your broth hot into your rice. Okay, so we'll get to that. So now I'm using some olive oil and some butter to saute my onions. So I'm gonna be sauteing this for about 3 minutes until my onions are soft and translucent and really fragrant. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add my mushrooms, and I'm gonna be cooking my mushrooms for about 3 to 5 minutes or until my mushrooms are really soft. So I'm gonna add a little bit extra butter and of course my rosemary, because my pot was looking a little bit dry because my mushrooms had absorbed way too much butter. So now I'm seasoning with some salt and some black pepper, because guys, you know I say in all my videos, make sure you layer your flavors. Okay, so I've seasoned my mushrooms, and at this point I'm gonna actually go ahead and add my shiitake mushrooms in there. Guys, I already rehydrated it in my chicken stock, and of course that gave the chicken stock time to actually draw out some of that really nice mushroomy earthy flavor into the stock. So my risotto is gonna be extra mushroomy. So now I'm adding my garlic and my spicy habanero. Guys, the habanero is totally optional, but I love things spicy, so I added it. So guys, this is one of the most important steps in making really good risotto. Make sure you toast your risotto. So I've added my risotto right now without any liquid, and I'm gonna stir it for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes until my rice is completely toasted, just to give it time to heat through and through. When you do this, it allows the rice to cook evenly when you start adding your liquids. So do not skip this step. Make sure you add in your rice and toast it or fry it for a little bit before you start adding your liquid. It really makes a lot of difference. Okay, do not skip this step, guys. Just keep stirring it until the rice is really heated. So this allows the rice to really absorb a lot of liquid and allows it to cook evenly. Okay, so now I'm adding my liquid little at a time. Guys, do not be tempted to go ahead and dump in a bunch of liquid in there. You're gonna end up with a soupy mess and it's gonna be horrible. Okay, so take your time. So now I've added my white wine vinegar. Guys, I do not take alcohol. So traditionally, risotto is made with white wine, but because I'm trying to keep this virgin, I am using white wine vinegar, and I'm still gonna get that amazing acidity that white wine gives this recipe without the alcohol. So if you're trying to stay alcohol free, use white wine vinegar in place of white wine. It works perfectly, guys. It works perfectly. So I'm just gonna keep adding my liquid a little bit at a time. So now guys, my stock is actually on the stove right beside me because I'm keeping it hot. Okay, you want to make sure you're adding hot liquid into your risotto. You don't want to add cold stock because it's just gonna mess things up. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep adding this stock a little bit at a time. I'll keep cooking it. When it's cooked out, I'll add a little bit more, and I'm gonna keep doing this until my rice is perfectly cooked through and just slightly al dente, because I just want to have that little bite. Okay, and guys, you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Okay, do not skip on that. Keep stirring, because the more you stir it, the more the rice releases starch, which makes your risotto really creamy. So now I'm seasoning with some thyme and some salt and black pepper. guys, you know I love me my black pepper because I just love the flavor. It's amazing. Okay, so I added some salt and black pepper. Now I'm adding my Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna stir it because literally my risotto is done. I already tasted it and it's perfectly al dente, just the way I want it. So now I'm gonna stir to give my Parmesan cheese enough time to heat through, and I'm taking out my rosemary stalk because nobody wants to take a bite of rosemary stalk. Okay, so now my risotto is done and I'm finishing it up with some parsley. So through and through, it took me about 20 minutes to prepare this risotto and it's perfect. So it's time to serve this deliciousness up, and guys, I'm telling you, my kitchen smells so divine. So I'm topping this up with some extra Parmesan and I'm digging in. Like, I'm literally not even waiting for you guys. I'm going in there. It is so creamy, so delicious. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and support a sister, okay? I love you guys. So leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know if there is something you'd like to see me try. And guys, share this video with your friends and your family, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.